If you are about to drop your hard-earned money on a brand new sub-250-gram drone, you need to freeze exactly where you are and pay attention. Massive blueprint data and internal factory supply chain leaks have just surfaced for the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro, and they reveal a generational leap in hardware that is about to completely upend the compact drone industry. What DJI has somehow managed to compress into a pocket-sized chassis completely changes the rules of aerial cinematography, effectively deleting the line between ultralight travel consumer drones and professional high-end cinema platforms. If you purchase any lightweight drone on the market today, you will regret it the moment this monster officially drops. We are unpacking every piece of authentic, leaked engineering data exposing how DJI is bypassing global aviation laws to give creators unparalleled performance. To understand how massive this upgrade is, we have to look directly at the heart of the machine, which is the camera sensor. For years, flying a drone that weighs under 249 grams meant accepting major compromises in low-light performance and dynamic range. The laws of physics dictated that small drones get small sensors. However, the leaked schematics confirm that the DJI Mini 6 Pro will feature a groundbreaking 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor. This is a massive physical departure from the previous generation. A stacked sensor architecture separates the pixel circuitry from the processing substrate, allowing for double the light gathering efficiency and significantly faster readout speeds. In plain English, this translates to the complete elimination of rolling shutter distortion and ugly jello effects when you are banking hard or fighting heavy crosswinds. But the sensor size is only half the story. The absolute crown jewel of this leaked camera assembly is the integration of a true mechanical variable aperture, ranging from f1.8 all the way down to f11. If you are a professional content creator, a Part 107 pilot, or a travel filmmaker, you know the absolute nightmare of physical ND filters. You launch your drone, realize the sun just poked through the clouds, and you have to land, swap out the glass filter, and relaunch, wasting precious battery life and missing the perfect golden hour light. With a physical mechanical variable aperture built directly into a sub-250-gram payload, you can control your exposure and maintain a perfect 180-degree shutter angle for flawless cinematic motion blur entirely on the fly from your remote controller. This advanced sensor stack unlocks an entirely new resolution bracket for the ultra-light category. The factory leaks reveal that the Mini 6 Pro will be capable of shooting oversampled 5.3K video and up to pristine 6K video at 60 frames per second. For high-end video editors and creators targeting international audiences, 6K resolution in a travel drone is the ultimate game-changer. It gives you the pixel density required to crop, reframe, stabilize, or punch in for a perfect vertical format for social platforms without losing a single ounce of crisp, ultra-high-definition clarity. If you need buttery smooth slow motion, the leaks show that the drone will support 4K at 120 frames per second, allowing you to capture fast-moving action, crashing waves, or cinematic reveals with absolute precision. With this level of professional video output, data management becomes critical. The internal documentation hints that DJI is heavily optimizing its compression algorithms, offering a massive leap in bit rates and full 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles right out of the box. This means you capture over 1 billion colors with 14 stops of dynamic range, ensuring your highlights do not blow out when shooting directly into a bright sunset and your shadows retain rich, clean detail without turning into a noisy, muddy mess. Of course, having a cinema-grade camera in the air is useless if the drone is difficult or dangerous to fly, especially when maneuvering through tight spaces or dense environments. This brings us to the next massive hardware revelation buried in the recent supply chain data, which is the safety evolution. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is ditching traditional optical sensors for a revolutionary omnidirectional Nightscape LiDAR system. Standard visual obstacle avoidance relies heavily on ambient light, meaning if you are flying at dawn, dusk, or trying to capture cinematic urban nightscapes, your drone is essentially flying blind and your collision protection turns off completely. LiDAR uses active light pulses to map the surrounding environment in 3 dimensions, allowing for millimeter-precise obstacle sensing in pitch-black darkness. This means you can confidently execute complex autonomous tracking shots, tight maneuvers through tree canopies, or low-altitude night runs knowing the drone is mathematically uncrashable. This advanced spatial awareness feeds directly into a completely overhauled artificial intelligence tracking engine. Leaked internal data describes an AI creative director tracking mode. Instead of just locked-on subject following, the Mini 6 Pro utilizes real-time semantic scene recognition to understand the composition of your shot. It can predict movement, smoothly calculate cinematic panning arcs, and maintain a perfect cinematic frame around cars, athletes, or wildlife, even if they temporarily pass behind obstacles like buildings or dense foliage. All of these high-performance features require an immense amount of processing power and a bulletproof wireless connection. The engineering leaks confirm that the Mini 6 Pro will debut the brand-new DJI O5 transmission system. This is a massive generational leap over the current O4 protocol. By utilizing a highly adaptive multi-band frequency array, the O5 system delivers an incredibly stable, low-latency 1080p live feed at a smooth 60 frames per second over staggering distances. More importantly, for creators operating in heavily populated areas or congested downtown environments, the O5 system features heavily upgraded signal penetration and interference resistance. Now, you are probably wondering how on earth DJI is packing a 1-inch stacked sensor, a mechanical variable aperture, omnidirectional LiDAR, and an O5 transmission system into a drone while keeping it under the critical 249-gram regulatory weight limit. The answer lies in a massive material science breakthrough. Internal supply chain reports reveal that DJI is transitioning away from standard plastics and incorporating a specialized, high-density, solid-state battery chemistry. Traditional lithium-ion batteries are heavy and have reached their absolute physical limit regarding energy density. By utilizing a solid-state structure, DJI can pack significantly more watt-hours into a battery pack that weighs substantially less. When we look at the official release roadmap and market positioning, the timing of these leaks makes perfect sense. Industry insiders point toward an official global announcement window locked in for the upcoming holiday season. Price-wise, because of the integration of high-end components like the stacked Titan sensor and solid-state battery technology, the Mini 6 Pro will command a premium. Expect the standalone unit to sit around the premium price bracket, with the highly coveted Fly More combo stretching higher, especially when paired with the next-generation integrated screen remote controllers. When you look at the complete picture painted by these authentic hardware leaks, the message is clear. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just a minor incremental update. It is a fundamental paradigm shift that redefines what a compact drone can achieve, completely eliminating the need for heavy, highly restricted commercial drones for the vast majority of professional filmmakers and content creators. Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts on these leaked specifications and which feature you are most excited to see launch. See you in the next one.